sneezing on her to get her reaction.
Ah! Get it off me! Get the fucking shit off me! Yo, breath is stink. It's all over me. It's all over me.
What it do? What's up, PNL gang? It's your girl PREE. You already know when I'm in the building. I'm about to shut the building completely down. So y'all, I know we said we wasn't gonna do pranks, but it seems to me like that's what y'all want. Y'all keep DMing me prank. So guess what? I'm about to hit fruit with a prank today. Y'all, sneezing on her to get her reaction. This gonna be wild because nobody wants you to sneeze on them. Like, I feel like that's mad disrespectful. Like, cover your mouth, bro. Like, cover your mouth. That's disrespectful. And Fruit, if y'all know Fruit, she's gonna flip. First of all, she hate when people do stupid stuff. She hate when people don't have common sense. So that's like common sense. If you gonna sneeze, bro, cover your mouth. And I would hate that too. I'm not gonna lie. Somebody sneeze on me, it's like, bro, like, you could have covered your mouth. But I got this little shot glass with me. I might hide it in between our legs. It's small. I got this shot glass. I mixed it with mustard and water. And basically, like, I'm going to have her look away. I'm going to talk about something. I'm going to have her look away. And I'm going to sneeze and pour this on her. And she is going to be hot. Like, she not even going to want to go to the store no more. We're supposed to be going to the store. She's not even going to want to go to the store no more. And it's going to be crazy, y'all. Oh, my God. It's gonna be real. It's gonna get down. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below Team PREE. We on the road to 400,000 subscribers. Get us there. Make sure y'all hit them post notification bells to get notified whenever we post. So I'm waiting on her to come out. I think. Oh, okay. I'm waiting on her. I thought that was her. I'm waiting on her to come out, y'all. But we about to get into this video, y'all. I'm scared. I'm super scared because she's gonna be really mad. Like, she's gonna be mad as hell. I'm not gonna lie. But it's fine. Like, I'm getting cussed out for y'all, so it's fine. Like, if it wasn't for y'all, then it would be like, okay. But like, it's for y'all, so it's fine. I gotta deal with it. These are my consequences when I prank it. So comment down below. Spam the comments with Team PREE, man. Spam the comments for real. But let's get into the video. Yeah. By our next crib, what you want it to be? Like, what you seeking for in our next crib?
What you mean?
Like, what are you seeking for? Like, tile floors, wooden floors? Like, what you seeking for?
I don't like wooden floors.
No?
Tile floors, carpet, regular.
I don't want carpet. You heard me, babe?
Me, I like in the rooms and shit.
I wouldn't want carpet in the rooms, though.
Then you have to take it out because most of the houses over here in Texas, that's how they use.
What about your next car? Babe? A Lamborghini truck?
First of all, I ain't even say a truck or anything. I just want a Lamb. That's my next car. I'm not gonna be playing with no other cars, none of that shit till I get out.
Why you seem so mellow? Why you talking like that? You talking like that? You know you don't talk like that.
I already feel good.
What's the matter? Your hair hurt? I haven't been feeling good either. What you think it was? The wings we ate?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, babe, stop. But you ain't got no stop sign.
Why would I just sit there and pass the stop sign?
I thought it was a four-way stop. Them Xfinity people still trying to fix the internet? I get it together. People is not paying all that money for nothing. Did you wash your hands after you picked it up?
Yeah. But I'm still smelling it like it's weird.
You got the leeway. He need to stop because you got the leeway. What the fuck is wrong with him?
I'm so throwed up.
Yes,
I'm so throwed up.
Hey, I don't like your vibe. Like, I'm hyper right need a car wash. You need to clean in and out your car.
I got bad allergies, but I don't really I don't feel nothing.
You don't feel dust getting in your nose?
No, I don't feel nothing.
And you got a whole bunch of food on the side of that damn door too.
How the fuck tool get on the side of my damn door?
No, like on the floor, not on the side of your door, on the floor.
Yeah, but you took my card. So did you put
That was been there before I got in your car.
But I'm saying, how the fuck it get there?
There's Cheetos and crackers and stuff all the way down there. Shoot! Down, babe!
I know damn well you ain't just sneeze on me. I know damn well you ain't just fucking sneeze on me. Ah! What the fuck? Why the fuck is it yellow? Precious, bro.
Oh my God, is it your hair?
Precious. I know fucking well you ain't just sit there and sneeze on me. It's a whole fucking car. You could have told me to pull over. Why would you sit there and sneeze on me?
I didn't know when I was gonna sneeze.
You just really
Why you stopping in the middle of the road,
you
girl?
just really pissed me the fuck off, bro. It's hella sneeze on my shirt. You ain't trying to clean my shirt or nothing. You sitting there worrying about your fucking self. That's nasty. You could have sneezed anywhere else in the fucking car. You sneezed on me. Fuck.
All right.
Damn, bro.
All right. I'm
Shit like that pisses me off.
I'm gonna clean it up.
Now I gotta go all the way back fucking
I'm
home.
gonna clean it up.
Just stop touching me. Let me just go home. Let me just clean myself up. You just really pissed me off. And then it's like as fuck. You nasty, bro. You nasty as fuck.
First of all, if I'm sneezing,
Stop talking to me. Stop talking to me. Just shut up.
You
Just shut
asked me
up.
am I okay.
Just shut up. I
You
don't
asked
care.
me I'm okay
I don't care,
first.
bro. I don't care
You
about
don't
none
worry
of that
about
shit.
yourself.
I don't give a fuck,
All
bro.
this is a piece of clothing.
Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me.
That's all it
all
is.
over me, bro. Sneeze is all over me right now.
Oh my God. Why look like I've been...
You got that virus, bro. And then you just...
I don't have no virus. I don't have no virus.
Yes, the fuck you
No, I
do.
don't.
Look at my fucking shirt. Look at my shirt, Precious.
I'm trying to clean it up for you.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me, bro. Because you did that shit on purpose.
It's all in your hair.
All right. And then you think
You can ask me if I'm okay.
I don't give a fuck about if you being okay. That's nasty.
All right. Because you can ask me.
And then I got another to be stank, bro. I got my whole car on fucking swole, bro. My shit is stank as hell.
It's on your seat.
Why the fuck did you keep saying that? I get it. It's on me. Okay. Damn. You knew I wasn't in the mood and all. You still gonna sit there and sneeze on me. You did that shit on purpose, bro.
You don't have to.
This not even my fucking real. This not even my fucking real hair. Come on, bro. How the fuck I'm gonna wash this out of my hair?
Loud.
How am I gonna wash this out of my hair if this is not
You
my
just
real hair?
wash your hair.
Bro,
It's
it
attached to
don't
your body. You
matter.
just wash
It
your
don't matter.
hair.
This is nasty as hell. Your breath is stank. It's fuck. It's all over me. It's all over me. Damn.
It's on your seat too. I'm trying to clean it up.
Is this funny?
No, I feel like
No, is this funny? Because it seems like you taking me as a motherfucking
you
joke
stop
for real.
It. It's people behind you.
I don't
bro.
give a fuck. I don't care. I don't care. I'm sorry, sir. She just fucking sneezed on me. You gotta understand that. Damn.
You're doing too much.
He's sitting there rushing me and shit, bro. You put it on my fucking head. Precious, I would drag your ass for real. Because now you doing that shit on purpose.
All right.
I'm finna go home and I'm finna take me a shower. I'm gonna clean myself up.
All right, because you're doing too much.
And I'm doing too much.
Instead of asking me, am I okay?
Your shit yellow like you got a fucking infection in your mouth,
Instead of
what the fuck? Bro, get this fucking shirt off me, bro. Get this shirt off me, for real. Get this shirt off me.
Wait, let me fucking clean it
Get this shirt off me, bro.
No, for real, you're doing too much.
I'm finna go crazy.
Damn.
Ah, get it off me. Get the fucking shirt off me. Get the shirt off me, Precious. Precious, get the shirt off me. G shit. Get the shirt off me. Get the shirt off me. Get the shirt off me.
I'm cleaning it with hand sanitizer.
You just
doing
pissed me
too
the
much.
fuck off.
Instead of asking me, okay, you worry about your all that is a piece of clothing, girl. A piece of fucking clothing that you can throw in the washing machine. You can throw that in the washing machine. You act like you never sneezed out of nowhere.
What's your problem, girl?
All right.
Let me get my ass at home so I can take me a shower.
All right.
Stank as fuck.
All right.
Damn. It's the stupid shit.
No, cause you must.
Why you ain't cover your mouth?
I couldn't. I wasn't fast enough. I couldn't.
You could feel it when it's right here in your fucking nose. You felt it when it was right here. You allowed it to get way fucking down into your mouth. Bro, get the shit up. Get the shit off me, Precious. G shit, I'm not playing. Get the shit off me. For real. Get the shit off. Get it off.
Go
Get it off.
on.
Get it off. Get it off. Get it off. Get it off, bro.
You might.
Get it off for real. Get it off.
All right.
Then it stink as hell in here.
Open.
This shit stink. No, keep the windows down. Keep the windows down.
Close the window.
Keep
You
the
doing
windows
too
down.
much.
Keep the windows down. No.
All of this is a piece of fucking sneeze. You doing too much.
That shit was all over me, bro. It's all over me right now.
It's on your hat too, but at the end of the day, it's on your hat too, but at the end of the day,
Shut up. I just picked up a whole bunch of shit that was inside of the house.
Right.
I come out here and I got a sneeze on me, bro.
You need to be quiet.
I need a break, bro. I need to get the fuck away, for real. I need to really get away.
Who?
I really need to get away.
Away from who? Away from what you doing?
I'm going home.
Bro.
Damn, you just pissed me off.
Why is you going inside the house, bro?
I'm going inside the house, bro.
All right, go ahead.
I had a whole fucking car. I don't want to be in this fucking car.
You need to clean your car, actually, and clean your hat and clean your clothes.
No, it's all over my damn car. Look at my car, Precious. Look at my car.
Not once did you make sure I was okay.
Man, you good, man.
Not once did you,
shit, bro.
Not once did you make sure I was okay.
Joke, bro.
But
Get out
not
my
once
car,
did you make sure I
Get out
was
my
okay.
car, bro. Go get some shit to scrub my car, bro. You did it.
I'm not cleaning your car.
You are.
She is heated. She is mad as hell. Oh my god, my pen fell and everything. She's mad. And it was so funny. Oh my god. I was trying so hard not to hold my laugh, and I couldn't. Like, it was funny, y'all. She mad as hell. I gotta go in there and tell her that it was a prank. I gotta hurry up. Okay. Let me wrap my hair back up. She mad as fuck. They got all of her. See, now that's really disgusting. I'm not gonna lie. That's some nasty stuff. If you ever did that to somebody before, you gotta be ashamed of yourself, because that's disgusting. Don't ever just sit there and sneeze on nobody like that. For real. Let me go tell my baby it was a prank. Bang! You seriously, man? Not once did you ask was I okay though?
Bro, I don't care. I don't care about none of that shit, bro.
It was a prank.
Leave me alone. I'm not in the mood to play. You just sneezed all over me.
It was a prank. This is mustard and water.
I don't give a fuck what it is, bro.
It was a prank though.
No matter how many times I shower, my hair gonna be stinking fuck.
No, it's not.
Mustard, that shit still stinks.
You shampoo your hair. Why you act like you can't wash your hair? I'm sorry. You got it in your hat, and I know you don't play about your hats.
It's inside of it?
No, it's right here at the corner.
Yeah, but at the corner of it is where you're gonna clean it at.
I'm not
and inside
cleaning.
the car is where you're gonna scrub
I'm
it.
not cleaning your.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you will be. Yes,
Cause
you
now
will
once
be.
in this prank, now once you sat down, babe, your sneeze look yellow. You wanna go
I
to the
said you like
hospital?
you're infected. All that
Yeah,
shit
but you
was
didn't
going on.
care. Yeah,
You didn't care
Yeah,
when
but
you sneezed at. Did you or did you not care when you sectioned your face at when you sneezed? No. You did it right on my face. No,
It
I
was
don't
a
care.
prank.
I don't care what
It
it
was
was.
a prank.
Whatever it was, and you did it on me, and I don't care. I'm stank as hell.
So hop in the
I
shower.
was take a fucking bath. But look, I was chilling. I didn't have to take no shower. You didn't fool with me, bro. Leave me alone. I took my.
It's on your real.
I don't care, bro. I don't even want the clothes no more. Just have the clothes, bro. Do whatever you want to do with the clothes. You had somewhere to go.
We still need to go.
I'm not going nowhere.
Okay,
I'm
then
not
you.
going nowhere until I can take me a shower and wash my hair. The whole time.
Okay, then you not eating.
Everybody
You
be
not
taking me shit. I'm only going nowhere. Hell no.
Say Team PREE.
Leave me alone.
Say Team PREE.
Leave me alone. Seriously, I'm right now.
Say Team PREE.
Precious. I'm not in the mood to play.
Say Team PREE.
Can you please get a
Say
camera on my
Team
face?
PREE.
Get a camera on my
Say Team
face.
PREE.
Get the camera on my face.
So she's mad right now, but it's cool because we got her. Like, she be tripping. She be on some other type of timing, but we got her, y'all. That was disgusting. Don't ever sit there and do that to nobody. Don't sneeze on nobody. Don't do that. But if y'all enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I gotta go. So, without further ado, I gotta make sure she's okay. Bro, and PREE is out. Yeah.